Okay, I'm going to show you Unit 2, Lesson 5, virtual worksheet. You need to locate it on Delta Math. I'd already kind of started here. And you're going to just start with the first section. You can see over on the side, I'm 24% finished, and I have these to do. So, this one looks like a timed problem. So I have a 0 out of 10. That means I need to get 10 of these correct, and I'm trying to beat 100 seconds. Now, you will actually get credit if you do not beat the 100 seconds. You just won't make 100 on this little section. Okay, so make sure you complete it. Your goal is to get 10 correct. That's what's important. All right, is 8 less than 2? No, false. Is 5 less than -3? No. Is a -3 less than -6? Okay, so we need to think about this. What I want you to think about are, drawing like a number line on your paper and find 0. Ooh. Can't leave the 0 looking that bad. And actually, I'm going to put 0 way over here. Okay, well, it still looks bad, but we're going with it. All right, here's 0. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, with negatives, I like to think about money just because money makes a lot of sense to us. So if I owe $3, would that be less? Let me rephrase that. I think that that's going to confuse you. If I owe $3 or if I owe $6, what would be a better scenario? You would not want to owe $6, right? That would not be good. And so -6 would be worse than -3. So is -3 less than a -6? Oh, I've selected the wrong answer. Let's look at the explanation why. -3 is less than -6. Is -3 to the left of -6? No. Okay, as you move along this number line, I'm going to use their number line because it's pretty. As you move along this number line, whatever is to the left is less. So left is less. So if you will sketch this out, you'll be able to see, -6 is actually less than -3. So this sign should have been switched, or they should have put the -6 first. Okay, so what would make that a true statement would be like this. -6 is less than -3. Okay, another way you could say it, what would be equivalent to this statement, which is true? See how the alligator mouth is opening on the -3? So that means that the alligator's eating the -3, and he always eats the bigger portion because he's hungry. So the -3 is greater than. So you could also write the -3 on this side and just make sure that alligator mouth is always facing the larger portion. So these are both true statements. What we had was a false statement. I just wanted to show you that if you miss it, what do you need to do? Let's go look. Move my tools. Okay. So what do you need to do if you miss the question? Look at the answer, learn from your mistake, click start again, and we're going to start from scratch. All right, is -7 greater than 0? Well, think about it. Look on your number line. Would 0 be to the right, or would -7? On your number line, -7's to the left. So this would be a false statement. Why is it not? One of my tools is... What? Sorry, I guess I needed to hit start again. I don't know what happened. All right, is 4 less than 6? Is 0 greater than -5? Yes, because -5 is to the left. -5 is to the left of 0, so -5 is less. Left on the number line is less. Is 6 greater than 0? True. A negative number, is that bigger or greater than a positive number? No. This positive, is it less than that negative? No, the negatives are to the left. So the negatives are less. So this is false. Is 5 less than 8? Is 2 greater than 3? No. -5 versus -7. When they're both negative, I want you to think about what is going to be on your number line. So you could sketch it really quickly. Here's 0 way over here. I'll just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Where would -7 go? We start with 0 and we start counting to the left. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So -7 is less than -5. And the way they have it looks good because the alligator mouth is eating the -5, which means that's greater. It's got its back turned. It's less than -7. So this would be a true statement. Oh, shoot, I double clicked. I didn't get to solve this one yet. Bummer. Okay, you see how to work these though? Let me try to just get one real quick. If you want some more examples, here we go. 7 less than -5, false. Is -4 less than -5? False. Is 7 less than 4? No. Is 0 greater than 4? Nope. Is 8 less than 0? Nope. This is funny. They're all false. Is -4 greater? Is this negative number bigger than a positive? No. Is 8 greater than a negative number? Yes. Is 0 greater than 1? No thanks. Is -6 greater than a -8? We have negatives again. Real quick sketch. Here's -6, -7, -8. Which one is less? The -8 is to the left. So -8 is less. And actually, the way they have this looks good. You see how its back is turned on what is less and it's eating the larger portion? So this one looks good. One more, because I need 10 in a row. Is -8 less than 5? A negative is less than a positive, so that would be true. Yay, I did it. I get 100 on that section. All right. So you can come up here and go to the next section, or you can look at your check marks and just go to one that you have not completed yet. The rest are multiple choice, and so I'll do this one for you. What equation does this model? So it looks like I have 3 circles that represent a positive x. So that could be represented by 3x. I have 2 boxes that are white and they are positive. So I have 2. And then there is my great divide, my equal sign. So I'm going to bring that down. And then it looks like the ones that are in blue are being represented by a negative. And so here I have a -x. I just have one of them. The 1 is understood. I don't need to put a 1. And then we have 6 of these negative blue boxes that are representing 1s. So -x minus 6 could be used to represent this. So that's all we're looking for with modeling, is using one color or shape to represent positives and negatives, and then that same shape but different colors to represent the negatives for the constant term. So let's just find the one that is correct. Here it is. So you'll need to select this one. and submit it. Woohoo! See, I got a check mark. So I only have 2 more questions to complete. Once this is 100%, you can take a screenshot and upload this to Unit 2 Lesson 5. You're going to upload this virtual worksheet instead of the PDF that is in Buzz. Okay, so it's your choice. You can do this Delta Math and upload the screenshot of the virtual worksheet, or you can do the attachment in Buzz and upload it. Either way, you are uploading something for Unit 2 Lesson 5 into Buzz. I hope that helps.